uh, India friends with China or United States of America?
India will want friends everywhere, but India's priority is India. We take decisions to make sure India is safe, India can prosper, India and Indians can live a life of self-respect and dignity.
But do you think the pronouncements that have come in recent times from the United States of America by leaders there, people in positions of power there, have somewhere or the other eroded the respect that India deserves?
Common people in India who earlier thought maybe the United States is a friendly nation with India, and in the last 20-25 years, a lot of movement, and under Prime Minister Modi between 2014 and today, a lot of steps taken to strengthen our relationship. The people of India are astonished at comments which are coming. And I'm sure reason will prevail eventually.
So, are we now moving towards an era where bilateral friendships probably, will need to be redefined? Or are we in an era where there is a love triangle, America, China, Russia? Actually, it's a quad. Are we going to put our eggs in the quad basket? Are we going to go into the BRICS basket? Because all of these multilateral issues, somewhere or the other, are having an abrasion between themselves, especially with the new thought process in America.
No, but India has always had this position, strategic position. Whether it was Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, you've heard our geographic location demands that India maintain its position as an independent, non-aligned, an expression which was widely used earlier, not so much nowadays. But eventually we are looking at being independent, economically strong, and be able to take our own decision according to our needs. It cannot be for one or the other that we are so aligned in one side of the world or the other side of the world that our independent decision making will be affected. And therefore, that is the very delicate balancing that Indian leadership will always have to do, be it Prime Minister Modi, which is definitely balancing very delicately. India's leadership will always have to do this because of our neighborhood being what it is. And that is why Vajpayeeji's words are golden words. You can choose your friends. You're talking about friends, whether it is a triangular or a chord. You can choose your friends, but you can't choose your neighbors. Vajpayeeji has said this. And therefore, we'll have to be very cautious about how India's position is taken on any issue, diplomatic, economic cooperation, neighborhood relations, strategic relations. We have to be careful.
We are